Mechanics use special tools to fix cars. So, we'll use this lug wrench to change the tire.
Okay.
Whoa.
The lug wrench is a tool that can take off these bolts or lug nuts that hold the wheels on the car. To use the lug wrench, you place it on the lug nut and twist it like this.
Whoa. Cool, that's so cool.
You give it a try, Meekah.
Wow. Okay, here I go. Whoa! The lug nut is getting looser.
Yeah.
Wrench, wrench, wrench. Check it out.
Great job, Meekah. Now let's give Blippi a try.
Sure, here you go, friend.
Okay, here we go. Ooh. Huh. I hope I can do this.
Remember, a mechanic can fix anything on a car.
You can do this, Blippi.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Check it out. I did it.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Great job. Now, let's change that tire.
Because there's no car problem a mechanic can't fix.
Yeah.
We can fix it, yes we can. We can fix it, yeah, yeah, yeah. We can fix it, yes we can. We can fix it, yes we can. You have all the tools that you'll ever need. Tinker with a problem and you'll succeed.
Don't ever worry, we'll figure it out. I know we can fix it, that's what it's all about.
We can fix it, yes we can. We can fix it, yeah, yeah, yeah. We can fix it, yes we can. We can fix it, yes we can.
Whoa.
Make sure the lug nuts are nice and tight.
I can help with that, Blippi.
Oh, thanks, Meekah.
Of course.
Well, here we go.
Whoa.
Woo.
And it's done. Great job, everybody.
Yeah.
Whoa, we fixed the car just like a real mechanic.
Whoa, I'm so proud of us. And I'm glad we have this lug wrench. We couldn't have changed a tire without it.
Meekah, that's it. We can use the lug wrench to fix the Blippi Mobile.
Great idea, Blippi. I'm going to put it in my sticker book so we don't forget. This is my sticker book. It's got all kinds of stickers in it to help things stick in my brain. We can use a lug wrench to fix a flat tire just like a mechanic.
Well, thanks so much for teaching us how to be mechanics, Carla.
Yeah, now we know how to fix our Blippi Mobile.
I'm so glad I could be of help today. But to fix your car, you'll need your own special mechanic toolboxes.
Oh.
And lug wrenches.
Wow! Mechanic toolboxes, so cool.
Wow, look at these lug wrenches.
Whoa, these will come in super handy back at the clubhouse.
Oh, but wait, we don't have a lift for the Blippi Mobile.
That's okay. Every car has a jack in the trunk. So you can lift your Blippi Mobile.
Oh, thanks, got it. Bye, Carla.
Thank you so much, Kyla. Bye.
Woo, see you later.
Bye.
Now that we're back at the clubhouse, we'll use our mechanic skills to fix the flat tire on the Blippi Mobile.
Yeah, it's time to put on the spare tire.
Woo.
Here we go.
Okay, line it up.
And
Yeah. Now we'll take this lug nut.
and tighten it with this lug wrench.
Here we go.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh. Whoa.
Wow. Hey!
Yeah! Hooray!
We did it, we did it, we did a great job. We did a great job. When the Blippi Mobile got a flat,
We learned how to fix it just like that.
we did it, we did it, we did a great job. We did a great job.
Yeah! Wow, you helped us so much. I'm so glad we got to work in an auto shop together.
And don't forget, you can fix anything, just like a mechanic. mechanic.
Well, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.